everybody, my name is Bridget. I am the COO of the Inspection Boys.
Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Chris Roberts. I'm one of the home inspectors for the Inspection Boys.
During this week, it's been a really busy week. We've done numerous different houses, and we're just trying to make sure that the franchisees all feel comfortable so that when they get back home, they can open and they can start inspecting right away to help service their clients.
Today we're letting them free flow, kind of letting them see if they understand the process. And then once we get back to the office, we're gonna have them upload everything and see how far along they are.
Just so that they know what to expect and how to move along properly and have the proper systems in place so that they can be successful.
Hi, I am Carrie and this is my husband,
Philip.
and I am the owner of the Inspection Boys of Charleston, and I'm here for training.
Hey, my name's Adam Somro. I'm from Florida, originally just north of Boston. I'm here with the Inspection Boys as a trainee.
My name is Gary. I'm here with the Inspection Boys.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Mark Vasquez. I am an employee for the Inspector Boys. I'm a new hire. I'm still in training right now. I'm grateful to be here.
Usually when we come to New York, we go to the city. So we're used to the hustle and bustle and stuff like that. We actually got engaged in Manhattan, yeah.
Oh, really?
Times Square.
So I grew up in the construction industry. I framed houses for about 5 years, and then I transitioned to a superintendent position.
Well, I'm someone that craves a group setting, and with the Inspection Boys, I get that. I get a lot of support. If I ever needed any questions, I know that I can ask.
A lot of loving people, a lot of caring individuals with different personalities, and I'm proud to be a part of it.
Home inspections really appeals to me because it seems like such a stable career, and that this is something I can do for a very long time. Whereas actually be on the labor side of the construction industry, it's very difficult on your body.
I have experience in a lot of different trade and appliances and AC and painting. So I just thought I should use my collective knowledge and just put it all together into a career that I could possibly use.
The software definitely it's a lot to learn.
Navigating through the software, which is kind of confusing at first, but now I'm kind of getting it.
And how to do this as efficiently so you're not running around like visiting the same area 7 times, and just the process step by step what to do.
The Inspector Boys are the best what they do. So having the opportunity to learn from masters of the trade and learn from people that have years of experience and years of knowledge to give me, and to actually work on a house, a home, actually operate it hands-on, has been great.
It's been awesome. Got to meet the guys I'm working with down there, and they're all great guys, all of them. I was really surprised how much I actually like them. I was a little bit nervous about it on my way here, like, what if I kind of hate them all? But everybody's awesome. This whole company's amazing. The culture, even leadership is just, I couldn't ask for anything better.